Kia ora guys, welcome for a new tip. Today I'm going to talk about the GoPro Hero Sleeve case, the new one, as I'm wearing now. But let's check in details. There we go guys, here is the sleeve case for GoPro, the brand new sleeve case for GoPro, original from the GoPro brand. It comes with a lace, a very nice lace that you can unlock here, or you can close it like if you're carrying it with your hands, for example, like I'm showing you like this, or you can use it on your neck to carry around. As you know guys, the GoPro is becoming a stylish product, not just an action cam. So with this thing and with the GoPro on your neck, it look very cool. And it comes in 3 colors, white, black and blue. I choose the blue one and it's very nice. You got the GoPro logo underneath like in the original camera, and that's pretty simple to put on. I would say the lace is very strong, the material feels very good. That's the stress test and it feels amazing in the hands. The grip is very good. You got the audio gaps here, so the audio will still be very good. I want to just remind you that the GoPro has 2 microphones. Then you got the mode button on the side and nothing on the right when you have the back door to charge it. So to charge it or check the micro SD or the battery, you have to remove the silicone sleeve case. But as previously said, it's very quick to put on. Yeah, there we go. Let's fix it a bit. Comes a bit underneath, so in case the GoPro fall on the floor, it's a bit protected the screen. And that's it. For the link, if you want to buy, if you want to check any more information, I leave the link on the description. I hope this video was useful for you. It's all for today. Bye bye from London, UK.